Anyways, but before I provide or I give you my message for everybody, so let me tell you a quick story as to how this actually happened. Uy, sorry mas comfortable kami mag-straight in. Okay lang. Plano namin is, ako na talaga, yung pupunta. Kasi sabi, uy, mag-date sana kami ni Mary eh. Dahil sana namin pagkakali lang talaga. Tapos, naisip namin, pagdala ko ng isa. So, yun. Sabi ko, oh guys, nag-DM ako, nag-message ako sa group chat namin. Sino gusto sumama? Magdadala ako ng isa. Tapos, yung pinakaunang nag-say ng yes is si, wala nyo. It's Zayman. Si Zayman. Okay. Sige ko, sama kita. Tapos may nag-DM sa akin, yung dalawa. Sige, tapos yung isa gusto si Shemen. Ay, Shemen. Sabi ko. So, si Shemen, so yun. Dali ako nag-book. So, yun na. Tapos sabi ko, parang mas gusto ko mag-spoil ang Hits Manila. Nagkaroon pa natin ang isa. So, ayun, si Aaron. So, kanina, apat na kami. Tapos sabi naman namin, pero sabi ko, guys, gusto ko talaga silang lima. Dalhin. So, ayun na, may mga mababait na nag-sponsor ng plane ticket. So, kaya ito, sama-sama kami ani. So, it's actually a dream come true for us. Kasi noong February, nung pumunta ako dito sa Manila, I went to Viva Cafe and then I saw the K-pop idol groups in there. So sabi ko, one day, magpa-perform ang last one. So ayun, so sabi ko, one day, tatayo ang last one. Pictures sila ng logo ng Viva Cafe. And then I didn't tell them na they had to take a picture of the logo yung nasa floor and sa stage, but they did. So it's like a dream come true. It's my vision. It's already happening. Yeah, the manifest stage. So it's already happening and I'm so happy kasi pinagbigyan nyo kami na magpa-funding and read today. Kasi I know you guys are already very busy and then cramp yung schedules din namin. Pero sabi ko, hindi, kailangan natin gawin ko kasi we actually, especially the last, loves Hits. Hits Manila. And we've been dreaming about this na hindi kayong lahat. Lalo na sila. Kaya sobrang excited. Pero nag-fight namin, walang makatulog kasi ayaw matulog. Sobrang excited. Kaya yun. So we're finally here. And we're so excited to see everyone. And I hope, wala akong backup na active na tayo kasi kahit yung class, hindi masyadong nag-message doon, nababasa nila. It's just that they're very busy preparing for bigger things for everybody. So, meron na sa your face na song. I really hope that you continue to support them. So, and also, support our K-pop soloist, which is si JM Dakila. So, mag-relaunch ka ng page na very soon. And once again, I am very grateful for you guys, mga nasa malalayong malupunta dito. Sobra. From everyone, on behalf of Flash, from Rising Harmony Entertainment,